Hey there, so today we are going to learn how to install Scrapy on Windows machine. So if we head over to the scrapy.org, then go to the documentation, it will redirect us to the latest documents. Then we should go or head over to the installation guide. After that, we can either install Anaconda or Miniconda. The tool that we'll install is called Anaconda. So then we go to the download Anaconda, and this will open a new tab to specify the operating system that we have. So since this is installation process for Windows, we will go over to Windows, and then here we have 4 different packages. We'll install Python 2.7 64-bit installer. Click here to download it, save the file. We can click here X, and then wait for file to be downloaded. After that, we open the file. And once this prompts us, we will click here Run. The installation process is fairly simple and straightforward. Next, I agree. You can type here all users. Click here Yes. Next. And then add Anaconda to the system path environment variable. And click here Install. Installation will take a few minutes, maybe up to 10 minutes or so. So I'll pause the video right now and then get back to you as soon as it's done. Okay, so it's completed. We click here Next, and then we uncheck these 2 options, and finally click Finish. We head over to the documentation and then pretty much just copy and paste this command. We go and hit Windows key, then type in cmd, which is going to be command prompt, and then just paste the command, pip install Scrapy, and hit enter. This will install Scrapy and all dependencies that Scrapy relies on, and it should be completed in 30 or so seconds. Some of the dependencies are already, as you can see, or requirements are already satisfied, so the installation should not take more than 10 seconds right now. And if you encounter any kind of issues or errors, make sure to head over to our Q&A sections and just really ask questions or really pass the error that you received. So as you can see, it's completed. If we type in right now Python, and then type in import Scrapy to verify that everything is installed correctly, we should not get any kind of errors. So as you